Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the alternator on this 2017 Hyundai Accent with the 1.6 liter GDI engine. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is come over here and unhook our battery. So squeeze in on these tabs, lift that cap off, loosen this 10mm nut right here. Lift the cable off, unplug these three connectors right here, and down here. You're just going to push in on these tabs and pull. And then you can either cut this strap, or you can, if you know how to do these are like a zip tie. You can lift up on the little tab and push the strap back through. Now we are going to pull this cap back and take off this nut right here. This is a 12mm nut. Now you can pull the power cable off from the alternator like that. Now we are going to loosen this 12mm nut right here, and then loosen this bolt right here. Just start turning it. That's going to allow your alternator to slide back and loosen the tension on your serpentine belt. Now that you've got that loose, you can totally remove this 12mm bolt right here. Take that piece right out, set it off to the side. Once you've pushed your alternator all the way back like that, you can slip your belt off the side here. You don't need to totally remove your belt. You can just set it here like this, and then when we put our new one back in there, you won't have to reroute your belt. Now we are going to remove this 14mm bolt down here. You can slide this bolt all the way right out, just like that. At this point, your alternator is loose, so you just need to wiggle and pull up. It's going to be pinched tight on the bracket down here, and so you just need to keep working it back and forth and pull up, and it'll come loose. Now that you've got it loose, in order to get it out of here, you're going to need to remove these two 12mm bolts that remove this bracket right here. Now you can pull your alternator right up and out. Then you can install your new alternator or used alternator, whatever you're putting in here, and reassemble in reverse order. When you are putting it back on this bracket here, this can be a little tough to get it to clip on here. I usually just set it on here with the bolt loosely in here, so I'll just take the bolt here, just start it in there, and then set it back down and set that bolt right in that slot like that, and then just take a hammer and lightly tap down, and it'll seat itself down on there pretty easily. I'll have a link down in the description below where you can get a new alternator on Amazon if you want to. But I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.